NDC full soldiers. Munkanchire kwasea totela. Se wasia bano. Ma onye na adwin se odi Asantehene animu betwitwi fom biom.
Abusia kwa Twitter yesi ade omo twe Kevin Taylor aboso. Enra ana koko entumu ebaaye. Azentumu na baaye na be share bufuo 1.28 de Ghana for so mu mfanya hwe e be share bufuo. Na Kevin Taylor be say ko be damage control or be fire be ke be kire Ghana for. Na ni ti anyeye onu ankasa ni followers Twitter omni na clash edi ne dwuma ewo montene ne so o mark kebipa eda kire no. Na TikTokers oko hoso dia Kevin Taylor so no omutwena boss ni nyafa ensem a okopie mu America no wa start eke kafa yeuro Otumfuo Asantehene otoko Kevin Taylor start eke kan semi fa no o mzi yin ya steady what do say yesterday I Penyah block media mess was any demo over like video no that my subscribe button some back the notification icon for latest update na be chira wadwen e dey ama me e comment section mess so baso no achi video for say enya bi ahye etiam kwa che kakra 2016 and this Efra Kunyaso na bag of cocoa eda 4.750 475 Ghana cedis omotina Kunyaso 8 years from 2008 to 2016 8 years eno almost tina Kunyaso omo face na cocoa bag eda 4.750 eko for do se betina Ghana Kunyaka so 8 years and eko for the different 4.750 eko through 31 million Niji na echi ato force ka say Kufuor do sisi koko akuafo e was go to koko bag 65 million
koko farmers awo Ghana ha abani otudi wanyi wona ndi ni ye kra abani otudi we sisi mu bebre abani wa fa mu sika bebre de da me peda me kan yi de koko no bono koko bag biala abani boton oboton wa bochi Oya sika 9,800. Oya Ghana sika da no mu 98 million Ghana cedis. One bag. There's a total 98 million cedis. Ghana is a share of cocoa board in there. Oya da ban oche de miska bi mu abasa. So che ma abasa. No no wa fakul. No the cocoa farmer no wa ma na ebie. Then we ma bani to be only the west city tazi. Ono wa fa ebie. No wa ma cocoa farmer e ko Eti koko ba dibiala o de wotonen enkoida ban o ma koko farmer 65 million Ghana cedis 65 million Ghana cedis instead of ma 65 million Ghana cedis abai wa ma koko farmer o de 30 million and that's extra 3,000 Ghana cedis enti wo 65 and wa ma 30 million epede bere ihu yin de abani do yin de musika MPP abani wafa oye bag biala wotoni bia musika 35 million we go the president Kufuor union bawumia na MPP aban wa go the one
ema mahama mu nyina be kan bi enis fo nyina agi so mu say oh Kufuor Kufuor aban abokoko akuafo de nye pini e wo senketum to koko bag 60 million
ana koko bo oh amasan dwaso no bag ba kun bia ye 81 million ense koko bag ye 81 million na ban ko jisika no fro bochire ba na o chemu nan no ma abako no abo tight office no family nsa eya don papa anya kro no what you say nti 81 million no anya kro no chemu mienu na ma kueni no fa na ho fa wo bota wote office no 81 million no wo se kueri ba man 20 million na offer 61 million eya san papa anya kro no nti awosana na do aban o ja sasisie no na ni manimi ya no o san review kokobo no no bi eka ho ba kun bia 81 million it one bag into one kasa wuti de kokoko no ko you kasa ko ton a wo ya 81 million abanse wuti mun ko am ko ton mra na me ba ne menya ya che wo ko dis kan ba wa che mum enan wa fa miensa mama kwani ni ba ko e ya kro no da be ko no ndu visa ga ba o sa ga ba no to se na o sa ga ba no Sir was like a ban or a token per bag. And this is 70%. I can't turn less than 15 million.
I say, a domini system millionaire propaganda 2024 election. And your main pebone, you call about to Omo Wene, out of force in and work dance and seven Mahama Emano, finance minister. Ebusa Enra. And a new cocoa price buy. Ejina ye train 65 million, another 60 million ye train so what at least and come with 50 million. Ekobaya, now what 31 million. Omatumu poly 1,028,000 Ghana cedis. 128 Ghana cedis. It go back a call 32.280. Omatumu kama. 128 Ghana cedis. Enye sika kuma ye di Gobɛ. Enye sika kuma. Na post ba ye no. Osana Ghana for no bo fu nura. E ma Muhammad what ni djuma. Koko akwafan ka say we dey adjuntum e bia we ye comedies. Muhammad we ni prapra we bia fena ntum beba. Afena ntum no e beba we dey yes, comedies. What I say? Now, Emuno, Anna Kevin tell her on the Twitter, I want to make this particular point. I don't say the MPP are bleeding because farmers are happy now. But just the MPP for this soon, just the MPP for this soon is if you say, farmers won't spend much on fertilizer because of farmer service center low prices of fertilizer on the market. And also, don't forget, inflation is very low, which goes to their benefit. Abampapa, you can shit and eat. The 42 years is possible. Yes, just wait me and then 42 years in there, but nefi. Yes, I know the cocoa, a bona, and no, the buyer no. Or the tattoo. What does it post when I can even tell a make here? Now, in fact, comment section really disappointed him. First comment, buyer free. Ex-masturbator saved by Jesus. Ex-masturbator saved by Jesus. I'm not trying to say. Cocoa price is $8,222 per ton on the international market. How is this a statement? This is pure thievery. How can the government keep $3,000 from the farmer, giving $5,000 per ton? Shouldn't this NDC government at least take $1,000? What does it? This is daylight, broad day robbery. Anna, Engineer Gabriel Gansa actually said, but they are only seeing an addition of 128.75 Ghana cedis from 3,100 to 3,228. Charlie, baby. What does it? Anna, that stoic actually said, say what Jimmy Kawanutum. Killer, baby, baby, bread. So where Jimmy Kawanutum. I don't say you are talking like a kid every day. The MPP, what is JDM doing for Ghanaians? That is what you have to talk about. Stop talking about the MPP. John, like JM. What I say? I don't also say kwasea only 100 cedis. Do you even understand your point? Who post on make the what you say? What who post on make you answer? Who you create? Otoniema, what American? How do you know say a phone to because never boa from Mojasu? Why do you human akarachi? What bother man? Anna come before the church say, I don't get it. Is it that you don't understand English or you think we the Ghanaian people are daft? Time will expose you and the NDC. Just a classic. But when I walk in there, no one theater and I say, oh, guys, in a dream of form, say, oh, every time will expose you and the NDC. But I try. And I say, Anna, Tom Kerry say, this is total cheat. How can you explain this to the cocoa farmers in opposition? You stated clearly that farmers receive 70%. In fact, 60 million. They made a fixed price, 6,000 Ghana cedis. How can you explain this to the farmers? Anna Joyce said, you are the one bleeding because your party in power, but yet hiding yourself, foolish fool. What I say? Gabriel said, why does this guy think Ghanaians are stupid and foolish like him? His idiot father and foolish wife. After NDC deceiving cocoa farmer, you come online and write rubbish because your followers are very foolish like you. Just say, Omugi can be part of the children can be told. And I can call back now. No, I know be address part watch in Sensemno. I also part watch about that men share I him for now say, oh, or better men share, say men share a boy, the bailey no, men share a democratin or boy be. I can tell with D as I'm taking attempts. Say that one team and share if your air, the moment team and share if your day. Asante akonya ne ade ade na eni ke nta we di o matem na emu no ene TikTok matress do so be classic ke bi ase masa ja ejime no abusia for me hwe video ya da simra ne mete yente hu tew
Otumfuo se tutu nim se emrante se te sesa ko mo no omo no mo betumi aboa akekere Asanteman mumu bi mu agimi
Kevin e ko bedu tela o se dai o se amaro shako emu no mbetimi aya Asanteman yie o chenchen hene wona waka ene me so chenchen hema ya krama ya moda aduane ni dihye mesme na maka chenchen hima mesme ka kire woni amaro shako ni mienu na asa mu mienu na moye nkwasiafo chempe obi ansisi ne yonko mu mienu na moye agimifo na wo amaro shako compliment na wo de ma kwasea yedi mitru mu Kevin Taylor ne na ye hu ni ya study ni ye show me kan cho say wo amaro shako say Kevin Taylor say ya wo amaro shako mu bi say some mutiwe na metimi aya santema ye na woni mpa po ho amaro shako woni mpa po ho wo ye siremni wo ye pepeni wo ye siremni wo kasa na wo poto enisa wo nyansa ni nimdia ye dia santema ya fako sirem na ko ye siremu ye fisa wo nya kan ni wo nye asantini wo ye siremu ye pepeni amaro shako ntiene se wa ma Kevin Taylor kwasea mpeni compliment na se wono otimi anya kodo no so bo wa ba so se wo amaro shako na betimi aya santema ya wo misu me ka tro se chenchen hima misu me ka tro so ye pepeni wo ye sirem no kasa na opoto enti fasa anya san fa ko sirem omuna baby ade achi edri baby aga na edri baby a economy na edri baby a digital edri omuda so ni emmoa enum nsuo esiremfo ni bi ehonum na baby ade achi edri omuda enso mu ode omuda so ni enantwie eni aponko ni afunu muda so num nsuo ensamaro shakosa ayi Kevin Taylor say una betimi aya asantema ya fasa nimdie ni nyansa fa ko ukuro mu sirem na wo yesrem ni wunya kan ni wunya asante ni wokasa na opoto wonka me
NDC full soldiers munka nkyere kwasea totela se wasia ba no ma onye na adwen se odi asanteman animu betwitwi fom biem Melinash menya discover baby amonso ehyehye mo no enya kwasea to no na meso asini su mesesu asi mahama no so mu hero no mu agye nkwa mu savior no mo kin no mu nyame no meso asini so star bia bi se kwasea to enya ye kasa twitwiri bia eya asantefo ye wro otikoko so o se sa nkwasea ayi na ya na odi mu anim mo kogege ayi sika no onye biem enti di oso oye beema no di oso oye beema no onta Kevin Taylor achi onkoso antua ne ka no onfa asanteman ye wro opemso osetu nanimu meye fom biem ye behe
so Kevin Taylor I feel them say Ghana for be brain who say emra na nkrofo kan say aban na na sponsor no on didi mpanifo atem on didi ahemfo atem or incited tribe against tribe especially utu na nisi akanfo so di atem bia said ope inciting people tina say na de nkrofo kan nyina sa aban ndisi aban na hye na chi ye no kware for adomochi oze po wa ejuma na airport Ghana airport we board no etu mu no no ne Penyah oda no ansa na obi free board ne so ana edi Kevin Taylor tu kwan ba Ghana obi a emrem ye so ye fugitive chese ya hyese oba Ghana se emrem ye che no because ensembia ekọ to emra ana ye di adwuma emra na ema NDC hu kwan ma omo ba be ye Penyah the same constitution obuso and emra ne di contempt I say no he's been protected wako Ghana and we can about 3 times na bi twam yaro ko ne say o kwa onam VIP na fi de ye aro ko wum sad one say yes if you are vice president etinem and if you are president Mahama to etinem ye o man sika na editua taxpayers money no ho ene ye de na koto ayi hosting na ye yo man si ya ide yi obi a kana no to mo just imagine say obi a oye fugitive na nka America ana baby free no e be dey be protect obi e dey pa na oye ma aban no just say ma no oye nyina no President Mahama before 20 friends yeah beto about kokuma say I think about my here now one of the radio yini interview was so ni no as he said the bibia kire say President Mahama person kire say Kevin Taylor ba Ghana ye protect no the national security protect one thing say wa hu kura one thing wasan ba ye de dan a wonno atena mu to pa kire so hu ye mo me hwe didi yi una democracy no ɛnyɛ saa na yɛyɛ no sɛbi obi didi atam na egu nkrofo ho fi na mmara ne di na sie protect ne sei dia na ɔman ne san de yɛkɔ obi nhwɛ bibi yɛ o na baabi a yɛkɔ no ɛmmoa obiara o ɛmmoa obiara wofu sɛ nipa no kyɛ sɛ wadi atam wa inciting nkrofo twa ntrom to nkrofo so efiva o mo yɛ ana mo tete akyire nti na meka kyerɛ sɛ some nkrofo yi ɛka pretend they are number one pretenders but they don't want peace. The almost power and violence at the day and destroying people's image for political power.
Dear passengers, if you're traveling to Bogota and Cartagena, there is a gate.
Ubeta chero ajene amame. Ewo comment section. Aha Penyah Block Media. Background.